Anthony Esposito, 414 East 3rd Avenue, Roselle, New Jersey. I came before this board 2 months ago and explained to you the plight of the citizens of Roselle. And the mayor outlined what they were. And I was hoping that you would take a look at that and consider this dire situation that our people are in. In 2011, this project was first proposed to the Board of Education as a joint venture between the Board of Education and the Roselle Borough. At that point, the cost was stated as $35,000, and the Board of Education would own the building at the end of the contract. Today, the project is $53 million, not to exceed $59 million, and these are the bonds that you're looking to guarantee through the Union County Improvement Authority. This has been a very, very complicated lease agreements, multiple resolutions, multiple ordinances, and through the whole thing, the people of Roselle have not had a single voice in this project. No voice. Everything is complicated. It's a three-way between UCIA, Roselle Board of Education, and the Borough of Roselle. The agreements were approved. An RFQ was put out in early December, I forget what year. But by December 20th, the RFQ closed. And there was only one contractor who submitted a project to be the developer on this project. One. The name of the company is AST. The owner of which makes donations. This company, only one, UCIA quickly approved it, and they are now the developers. Just happened to be the broker for AST was no other than George DeVito. Okay? I have a problem with that. Also, all of the documents that have been created, there's multiple defects and risks when you actually read those documents. I found one error. I brought it to your attention last week. The whole thing was based on a lease that was expired. And another problem is that for the Board of Education side, if the Board of Education is to go into a lease agreement longer than 1 year, according to 18A 20-4.2 Section D, it clearly states that that Board of Education needs to get approval from the local finance board and the Commissioner of Education. Clearly stated 18A 20-4.2D. And there is a possibility that Roselle could default on these lease payments because it was written into the lease agreements what happens in case of default. So there is a possibility of default. Now, my request to you is not to guarantee these bonds. What I want to see, the people have not had a voice. If the Roselle Board of Education wants to build buildings, do a bond referendum. If they do a bond referendum, 40% of the debt service is paid by the state. 40%, because we're at a poverty level. We're supposed to live in a democracy. That's what we're told all the time. Stop the guarantee. Let the people
Thank you,
have a
Mr.
referendum
Esposito.
on the issue
Time is up.
through Roselle. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
for
you
your
very
comments.
much, Chairman.